Are we live? Okay, I think we're live now. Hello, welcome to this stream, the appeal of which being that you'll get to watch three strangers be extremely stressed for approximately 5 minutes, and then after that you get to see them either being extremely, like, not stressed or extremely panicked. One or the other. Can you even hear me? That you get to see. Yes, you can. Wow. That's so crazy. Uh, we, we had some problems, but I don't really think they're proportional to the problems they will actually cause, so I think it's fine. There might be an error when you place an object if you do it too fast, but that's fine. Flo,
Yeah.
say hi.
Hey.
Flo is the smart one of us, and I'm the loud one, and Dreaming is the muted one.
Hello. I'm incredibly stressed right now.
Dreaming is trying to deploy everything right now. Okay. Can we hit 20,000 people before it starts?
I think that's pretty unlikely, but you know, it is going very quickly.
It is growing very
we
quickly.
have 400 viewers. So if all of you go to place.gd right now and sign up, it could happen. All right, should we talk about this countdown, by the way? I don't think I've actually talked about it on YouTube.
Seeing as you're like chilled out, you can talk about it.
Oh yeah, I'm so chilled out, bro. I'm just chilled down to the core right now. No, nothing but chill in this brain. Anyways, yeah, we made a countdown which has like we made every single creator in the community make it like a countdown design, and we put it in this countdown and ran it for a week. So if you've seen it during that week, you'll have seen a couple of different designs. We got 83 designs, I think we ended up with. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and it will never be seen again, or will it? No, or will it? Hey, crafty master man. Dreaming, what's the status? Did it deploy?
Yes, it did. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I don't know if it fixed the error, but it fixed the error for me. But Flo's saying he still has it, so I don't know. The email should be sent in 1 minute.
Did you guys get an email right now if you sign up?
No, in 1 minute. In 1 minute.
Never mind. In 1 minute. We sent an email.
Oh my god, I am so nervous right now.
We're gonna send 18,000 emails in about 1 minute. That's not gonna be a problem. Gonna get a bill for $1 billion.
I'm probably like 5 times more nervous than I was during the first one.
We have no idea how much this is gonna cost, by the way. We're like paying for an automatically growing server, so it might cost like a lot of money that we can't pay. So if you want to, you can go to donate down here. I already did, and if you do, you can go here and you can change your color of your name. Wow, you can like choose different like
1 minute
flags and like colors. It's super cool.
1 minute. Has there been an announcement in GDS or anything?
No.
Okay.
I don't think he read my message, but he probably do it in a sec.
Ask pause.
Oh, maybe. I don't think it really matters that it happens before it starts, though.
The email has been sent, guys. Oh, I got the email. Let's go.
These colors are kind of cool.
I did as well. It's in promotions.
All right, starts in fucking 30 seconds. Holy shit. Okay.
It gave me the wrong username on the email, but I don't care. I don't know why
I have no idea what's gonna happen. That's the weird thing. Like, I've been thinking about this event. We've been making this event for maybe like.
This is the most stressful time of my life.
Probably. I thought it was 10 months. It turns out it's over a year.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
They're placing objects.
I'm so stressed right now.
Wow, what a beautiful level.
This is incredible. What the
This
hell?
tracks. This tracks. This is good.
I mean, this is what we hope for, yeah? What a beautiful level. Wait, fuck, I'm not recording. Okay, I'm gonna start recording now. I guess I'm gonna use the stream recording. Okay.
I'm
Wow,
shaking
what a
so
level.
much right now. My whole body is shaking.
Someone placed the SFX trigger. It's a door. Good job, guys.
Dude, this is way more active than the last one. Holy.
All right, so let me give you a little guide. This is all the objects. You can choose an object here, place it down. Then you go to the Edit tab. You can change the colors, for example. Choose main color, detail color. This very nice UI. You can use that. It was designed by Dreaming Insanity, our friend here. And
Mhm.
I'm so good at speaking on stream, dude. It's such a talent of mine. Okay, and you can change the layer here. Not really relevant yet, but will when you actually make big things, and you can like warp it and shit. I should.
Dude, this is gonna be impossible to play.
I'm so
Straight
stressed.
off the bat, this is gonna be impossible to play. This is just not this. It's just solid
the player
blocks
starts
and
here, by
sword.
the way. So good luck with that one. You can use delete. You can use their deleting powers to try to make this a possible level, maybe. Though I don't know. Maybe it'll work. I don't know.
The database is suffering hard right now as well.
Yeah, there's some the name of the.
I deleted my object like 10 seconds ago and it hasn't deleted yet.
Okay. Okay, we have song triggers. You can click on them to play them. Basically, it sums up the vibe right now. Just took this to stop it. Yeah, okay, what the fuck is happening? Why am I swearing? I shouldn't be swearing. I'm just so stressed.
The stress is getting to you.
Oh no, the chunk is... Okay, the chunk is coming back.
Yeah, the chunk just takes a long time to load, don't worry.
Will the database wake up? I hope it does.
I think the database has woken up. I think we've like, it was asleep and we punched it in the face.
It splashed water on it.
Yeah.
It's loading. It's doing something. Dude, someone is making a joke. Wait, I gotta contribute. Gotta make a leg. Hold on. Or maybe an arm. Fuck, I'm so bad at this. It takes a while to place.
I got a failed to delete object from the object I deleted a minute ago.
Shouldn't the... Couldn't we set like the database to be faster at this point?
I think this is not that the database is being slow. I think this is just like there are so many people hitting it that it's just.
I placed an object, but there's still like the selection box around it.
The cooldowns
And
are
I can't place
screwed at the
anymore.
moment. Okay, I
if
have
if I
it.
refresh it, it works. Okay.
I think it's just this poor database went from having no users to like 10,000 people using it at the same time.
Wow, what an amazing level, guys. Wait, let me actually...
Dude,
Jobs are loading faster now.
It sent 18,000 emails. 75% of people have opened it. That's crazy.
That's good click-through rate.
67% now. 0.96% of people have clicked the button.
Alright, I've yet to see any like coherence.
Last time Among Us was the first coherent thing.
Yes, famously.
Famously, yeah.
We got a like a skeleton guy. What's the guy's name?
Joe.
But apparently you're very quiet.
Am I quiet? I have my microphone set to maximum. Maybe I can just speak louder. Hold on. Oh, I can set the volume to like 120% maybe. Is this better? Hello, hello, hello.
It will be open. It will be running for 50 hours. This is how long the event will be going on for.
Yes. When it's about to end, you'll see like a little clock in the top.
I'm
corner.
just so glad that it's like didn't just explode. To be honest, that actually we had objects placed.
Yeah.
That was all I wanted. Was
All right,
this?
guys. Let's try to delete something at the start here when your timers go down.
There's
thing is,
also
they will-
activity at the end trigger.
There'll be another explosion in approximately one or
Yeah.
less than 1 minute when everyone's timers reset again. Let's go up to the end trigger. I don't know if you've seen this, but if you go up to the very end level, which is gigantic, by the way. Oh, they found it, yeah. I guess. So yeah, this end trigger, you can't really place collidable objects around it. So you'll see like this kind of border of collidable objects in a conspicuously mathematical pattern around this. Yeah, we decided to use a Squircle, or Flo decided to use
I
a
decided
Squircle.
to use a Squircle.
Flo on his own decided
There
to
were
use
protests.
a Squircle, and we protested, but he persevered, and now it's a Squircle. I don't know if this makes sense to you, but you can't place things directly around it.
If you click on show collidable object, it will show you.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So if I go down to the start again, hold on. So at the start here, I'm like, I wonder if this part is possible, right? It's hard to tell, obviously. So I go to show collidable objects. Oh, it's absolutely impossible because there's like a saw blade right here. So I can go through it and like, this is so scuffed. One day.
It's a lot more responsive for me now.
It's actually surprisingly not that laggy.
Okay, I don't know how to select that one specifically, but you can select something and delete it like that. Should we set the delete timer to maybe a little lower?
I feel like we should leave it for now. I feel it should be
Okay.
consistent, you know. People knew what they were signing up for. Giant skeleton.
Right.
I did find a word. It just says foof. Now it's
What do we do if the beginning of the level stays like this? Like, where do we draw the line of making the level possible? Because we kind of just have to delete the whole thing.
the will of the people.
I'm sure someone will manage to figure out how to beat it. Like maybe you can hop into this ship portal and then just like fly around it, kinda. Because we were thinking about like we're gonna have like walls at the top and to the right, but maybe not at the start because that wouldn't really make sense. Or maybe it will. I don't know. We'll see. Again, I have no idea how this is gonna turn out.
People are building right to the top of the level, so that's good. Like it thins out a little bit, and then at the top there's a bunch of more objects. So
Did anyone see if the audio is better? Did people say like yes when I asked that? Because I totally forgot to read. You know? Okay. Yo, this is kind of cool though. What's happening here? I don't know what this is, but I like it. This, however, I don't know about this one. Yo. Is it Joss? No, someone deleted his face. Oh wait, no, this is the face. Crazy. Are you seeing anything interesting I can
I'm gonna scroll along the level and see if there's anything.
Okay. Oh, this feels so unreal. We've been like imagining this for like months now.
More than like this has been going. We've been building this for what, more than a year now.
Yeah. If you didn't notice, we remade the entire level the entire website from the bottom up since last time, and it's completely redesigned. The technology is completely different. It might not work entirely properly for everyone, but it should be faster for those that it does work for. It should look better. And we also made the UI and the whole backend, and yeah. pretty much everything. So
Everything from scratch, basically. So
hopefully it should be good.
it's been a lot of work. So to see it working without any major issues
yeah.
is really nice.
I'm
We
not
are
used
kind
to a 5-minute cooldown.
So true.
Yeah.
We've got someone building Among Us already.
The one thing I'm hoping for is that people like also try to build an actual working platformer level. To
So far,
some
that's
degree.
not going to happen.
So far, not exactly going so well, but I think you can do it. I believe in you. What did I just place? Why is my place timer still 4 minutes? I feel like I haven't placed anything. Maybe I just goldfish memory. Fire in the hole!
I feel like the start of the event is very it's complete chaos, and as the time goes on, we'll start to see things become coherent.
Now I'm wondering if the level should have been bigger.
No, I feel like it's a good size.
Okay, I need to focus here. Okay. I don't know how long we will stream for. The point of the stream was mostly to get my remaining YouTube audience who hasn't heard about this to sign up. How many people have signed up now? Is it over 20,000?
A great question. Let's have a look.
Manually go into the database and check.
I'm doing that right now for you.
I'm also
Just
doing
opening. Oh, never mind.
user count.
We have
21,000.
Wow. Okay,
Yo.
that's crazy.
Dude. The thing is, the more people who join, the more fun it is. So
Yeah.
get your grandmother, get your
Anyone you know, anyone and everyone.
go out to the street, shout place.gd. Maybe they'll do that. But
Paint it on the side of your car and drive around.
yeah, go illegally like paint it on public
Hmm.
walls and stuff.
Let's not do that.
Thanks,
Sonics does not mean this.
thanks, Craft.
Do not listen to his
$5
advice.
for the server cost. You can also go into here and donate here, and it will probably take less of my money to YouTube.
And you get the cool colored name.
Yeah, you can if you donate here, you can get this button, update name gradient, and you can go in here and you can like change this and you can
But you're
change
not-
this color.
When you say here, by the way, it still just shows GD Place. I don't know if you mean.
Oh, is it?
Okay.
Is the modal not part of the window? Because I'm like streaming a window capture. If I do a stream capture, maybe it works.
Oh, there you go. No, it's there. Yeah, you see the gradient now.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the stream is a bit delayed, so if you hear the stream audio instead of my audio, it will be synced up, hopefully.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I don't know how to make the stream not delayed. I've streamed like 3 times before. Okay. Last time we did like 3 streams. I'm not gonna, and I don't think I'm gonna do another stream other than this. Maybe at the end. There's a cool thing at the end. Wink, wink. So you should stick around for the end.
The end is incredible. You should really stick around for the end.
The end is awesome. The end is crazy, bro. Like and subscribe for the end so you don't miss the end. Hashtag crazy. Okay. Dude, is this the King of the Joes? Or is it just Mushroom Joe?
If you had to place a prediction on the number of users we have by the end, what do you think?
Depends on a lot of things. Depends on we have some like other promotions lined up that will probably bring in a lot of users. So that if that goes well, then we could probably double the users we have now. And then we also have a YouTube short, which is we made it a bit late. The thing about YouTube shorts is they usually get a lot of views, but it takes like a week for them to like start picking up. And we made it a bit late. We made it like 5 days ago. So if that short gets like a lot of views, then it might be bring in a lot of people. So yeah, if you can all go on your phones and open that short and just let it play for like 5 minutes, so YouTube thinks it's extremely interesting. Okay, maybe I'll do that, or maybe you should. I'm so good at streaming, dude. I'm just a natural talent. All the
You're
words
really incredible.
all the words coming out of my mouth are making total sense for everyone. That's just my talents. Okay, my timer's up. Let's place another object. Or maybe actually let's delete something from the start here.
Let's delete some from the start, yeah.
Let's go to
There's a spike right at the beginning.
show
Oh, someone
collidable
deleted it.
objects. I don't see the spike, but I see a giant block. Fire in the hole! Okay, I'm in the wrong tab. I was just clicking objects. It's very hard to select. Everything is placed on top of each other, so it's impossible to try to figure out how to select it. So maybe we should add like a thing that only selects, like if you're in show collidable objects, it only selects collidable objects.
Maybe.
Could be cool.
I'm gonna deploy again because it didn't quite work.
Are anyone having any problems that we should know about? Also, please don't spam. I'm gonna time you out for 10 minutes. Get timed out. All right. Are there any reports? No reports. Wow. Yo.
Yeah, it
is
is
this an
broken.
exact
That's fine.
recreation of the default cube? That's pretty cool. I'm going to help this out by placing like it's going into a portal. Let me cook. It's going into a portal. Hold on. Wait, let me make it like 3D and stuff. Hell yeah, dude. That's perfect. Okay. What's going on here? There's very few coherent builds. That's the first impression I have of this. I guess that is to be expected. They're writing pi. If you go up to like the middle of the start, they're writing pi. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The one thing I'm worried about is that this level is like about what 8 times bigger than the last one in like area. So and we only have like maybe like twice as many as we had last time right now. So if we don't get enough people, it might get a little sparse. I think that's.
I actually have the opposite concern. I think it might be a bit too small, but we'll see, I guess.
I mean, at the start it looks like that, but if you go like to the middle of the level, there's not much. I think.
They're building congregation.
Where?
I won't tell you. We'll get griefed.
Oh, okay. The smiley army is back in the corner.
Somebody should build a Devil Vortex sauce, I think. In my honest opinion, they should do that.
Back.
Are they building Peppa Pig? That's crazy. So
I can't tell if it deployed, by the way. I think it did.
So let's go through the triggers real quick. So you can there's a couple of different triggers. There's song triggers, obviously. You can click on any trigger to like make it run as if it's in the level, but in the actual level it will be touch triggered. So the player has to touch it for it to trigger. Stop spamming. Okay. And there's the background triggers. We'll change the color of the backgrounds, obviously, as you can see. There's also ground triggers, which will only really be relevant if you're like near the ground. But yeah, they changed the color of the grounds. And there's also sound effect triggers, obviously. You can change the sound effect, like pitch and speed. Like this. If you want to.
Everybody might be logged out if you refresh. That is gonna be fine.
Uh-oh.
Just log back in.
Why is that?
Because we just deployed,
yeah, we redeployed.
and this actually has the real stuff.
Oh, does that happen every time you deploy?
No, it's just the deploy we were meant to do before it started didn't work, so we did it now.
Are we getting donations, by the way?
We are, yeah.
On Ko-Fi?
We have a few people. We are, yeah. Thank you to everyone who's
That's
donated
so awesome.
previously and since the start.
I'm gonna say thank you to this random guy and no one else. Okay. I don't know how to stream. This is a very cool project. This
You
is
should
the
be the
result we want.
expert here.
I should what?
You're the expert here.
Yeah, I'm the expert. I'm the streamer. I've streamed so many times. I don't know. I think I'm just stressed. But
The level, this level is going to be impossible from now until
I
Sunday.
think we can
It's
do
going
it.
to be
I think we can
impossible.
fix this. You can close these windows, by the way, by clicking the X. Yeah, right now it's not looking so bright, but I think we can do it. I think we can fix this. If we work together, we can clean this up. Is this a reference to the previous GD place? I think so. The previous one, is Sir Giester streaming? Have you seen the checkerboard? Senor Giester?
Yeah.
You gotta respond to me. Can't be alone in
Sorry,
this.
we're still trying to fix things.
Okay.
This is not over yet.
I'm sorry. I'm not gonna bother you. Okay. This looks like gameplay, kind of. Or is this even collidable? Yeah. Sure, this is gameplay. This is a platformer now. Awesome. Yeah, see, this is what I was thinking about. Someone actually making platforming gameplay. This is the biggest mega collab ever, by far. Already.
Even since the last one, yeah.
The last one, we totaled 14,000 people. Now, there's a caveat to that, which is there was a lot of like duplicate accounts. Now we have a lot of measures against that. So in terms of actual real human beings, we should actually have a lot more this time. If you think about it, how many do we have right now? Let's see. Is it 21,000 still? I don't know if the Firebase thing updates automatically. Okay, still almost 22,000. That's a lot of people. A lot of people. Okay. We really need to fix this start. This start is not currently manageable. I'm sure you'll figure it out. You just somehow carve a pathway through here. Well, maybe that can be my streaming task. Maybe I'll go like right here, and we just try to delete a hole here. I'm sure I can command every one of my 785 viewers to come here and delete an object in this area. I'm not seeing any deletions, not gonna lie. This is so scuffed. Okay, that clearly didn't work. You clearly
Dude, we
doing your
have
other own things. What?
we have 157,000 requests to get place cooldown. That's crazy.
That's pretty crazy. How many objects total have been placed so far?
We have
18,000.
wow. Okay.
Why is there so many requests for the cooldown then? Is it just because people are refreshing?
Probably.
18,000 people are placed, 4,000 or 5,000 are deleted. Yeah, the main problem right now is there's not enough deletions in proportion to placing, so there's just objects everywhere. But it will be fine. It should be fine. Is this what I think it is? Let me try to find a fitting object to help this project. What object looks like an M?
Wait, why did I just get logged out again? What the hell?
That looks like an M. Okay, cool. This is kind of an A.
Why do you get logged out every time you refresh?
I don't.
I do.
Sounds like
Maybe it's a
you
Firefox
problem.
thing.
That
Wow,
sounds
what a
like
beautiful
shit.
artwork. Is this like is this some reference I don't get? It looks familiar somehow. I don't know. Are people panicking in the mod server right now? No.
I'm panicking.
No messages have been sent. Awesome. It's a bit suspicious that there are no reports.
About that, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Or worry
Yeah.
about it silently.
Okay. Oh, I found the congregation. Awesome.
So Mailjet just seems to not be working anymore either.
Mailjet?
It just says retrying on all of the emails.
Did it hit the limit?
No, nowhere near.
What is the limit?
Is it not sending
50,000.
I'm sure this is such an entertaining stream, but I don't know how much longer I can keep this up because I'm doing my darndest to try to think of something to do in this stream. But it's just r/place in a geometry dash level. It's not that much to look at just yet. People haven't really started any big projects other than, I guess, Among Us with a bunch of pointing hands around it, and you know, I guess this is cool.
It's saying retrying on so many emails. I don't know what it means.
Maybe it's just high traffic.
It might just be high traffic.
So there's like an army of skeletons going into war. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Please help King Joe right from spawn. Is this King Joe, or is it the other one? Is it this one? There's so many Joes, dude. Oh wait, it's this one. Yeah, that makes sense.
It's performing a lot better than I thought it would.
Especially considering the functions did not supposedly fully deploy.
No, I just mean like client performance, Wasm performance.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it seems to be performing fine. Seems to be good.
I'm trying to figure out the functions now. I don't know why. Just wish we never used Firebase, bro.
In typical fashion, I have spent very little time sleeping in the last 24 hours before the big project. So, probably to blame. What's to blame for my low energy commentary on this event? Yo, is that a cube? Is that a shaded cube? But it's like lit from underneath, or maybe it's like concave. Something to think about. I'm so good at commentary. I keep saying it, but I'm just astounded by my own talents. Okay. I think maybe we can just leave you to this. How long have I been streaming? How have I been streaming for 1 hour? That seems impossible.
It's not been an hour.
Is that just like the backlog?
It says started streaming 35 minutes ago. Yeah.
Okay, that makes.
I was gonna say, what the hell?
Yeah, okay, that's probably just because I was I like initialized it before. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be streaming for that much longer. Are there anything very cool that I need to check out? Please tell me. Because I will check it out. There's so much like area to this level. Like you think you've seen it all, and then you just go in here, and there's just like a waste.
There is a thing that Specky wanted you to check out in the I sent it in the server. It's just a link.
I will click it. Yeah, you can share the link in the address bar if you want to. Yo, that's pretty cool.
Crazy, I know, right?
Let me add a big glow object. If I can find it, there you go. This is my programming language, by the way. Or our programming language, I guess, at this point.
It's still the only version actually usable this course.
Yeah. The way I met these people, the other people in the stream, the way I met them was that they started rewriting my programming language, and they're technically still rewriting it, the same rewrite. They never finished it, but they did finish this, so hey, good enough.
How many people are we at now? We're at 22,000 people now.
That's crazy.
That's insane. That is insane.
We gotta get the Discord tag.
We have.
Are people like panic tagging me on Twitter or something?
Probably, but there's too many other things to figure out at the moment.
What is this? Is this like a tiny little concentrated area of chaos, or is it something coherent? I cannot tell.
I don't know. Oh, God.
Oh, they're writing tau over pi. Or is this 2 times 7,182? Who knows? Who knows? Okay. This start area has not been improving. I feel like we're slacking off on the start area right now. I guess it's not that big of an issue right now. It's not that urgent. Is what I should say. My vocabulary goes down like 10, like I can't even like say the sentence I was going to say right now because my vocabulary is just gone because of the stress. Normally I'm so eloquent and poetic in my language. Isn't that right? Say something, Flo. Say something so it's not awkward. You're not saying something. Oh my god. I'm being left alone by everyone. I thought this event would bring us together. But
You are
turns out
poetic.
It's just divides us. Thank you, Flo. They're writing pi here too. Well, it could have gone worse. Could definitely have gone worse. I think this is a pretty success up to this point. Again, you really want to stick around to the end. Wink, wink, wink. I don't know if you watched the video, but last time at the end, the thing that happens was the giant picture of Obama ate up all the objects. This ending has nothing to do with that. It's completely different, but you still want to stick around for it. Because we need a lot of people to be there. That happens about 49 hours from now. So around this time on Sunday, or yeah, around this time on Sunday it will end, and well, you'll get to see something. Who knows what it'll be?
I'm back.
Actually, take a guess what it's gonna be.
Are you ending the stream or something?
Pretty soon.
What? Reports are working now. Let's go.
Yo, we
And there's not a single actual valid report.
There
in
is one. There is one.
Oh, crazy.
There's so many cool artworks. I'm just so bad at pop culture. I don't get any of the references. We got a German flag. Let me see how many flags I recognize. Finnish, trans, Russian. There's so many flags with this exact layout. I'm not sure which one it is. Portuguese, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one is Mexico, kinda. Estonia. I'm probably like embarrassing myself right now. Sweden, I think. France. I've seen better days. Is this Romania? Maybe.
I will never tell you.
Flo is Romanian.
I apologize for that.
Yeah.
Should we just ignore
his
the
fault.
reports then?
I'm looking through most of them.
Most of
Some
them
are,
seem right.
They should clear every so often, right?
Yeah, but should we just try and ignore them anyway?
I guess you should go through them, yeah, and just ignore them if they're wrong. Okay, let's place one last object, and then I'll end the stream for now. Let's end it while it's still such fun for everyone, you know. Oh, okay. Let's see. What do I use my one object for? This is cool, but there's not really anything I can add to it. This has seen better days. I could add to Tau. What is the digits of Tau? I hope I didn't just like expose my whole search history right now.
you did. I'm in your house now.
Wait, this is in Tau. This is E. I'm an actual idiot. Why did I think that was Tau? Okay, digits of E. Wait, is there a Tau?
Tau is 2 pi.
Yeah, I know what Tau is. I somehow
No, you don't.
I thought the E was Tau. I don't know why my brain just shut down. Okay, but what comes after 2 and E? 8. Got it. Let's place an 8. Where's the numbers? Here we go. Shit. Okay. Never mind then. What comes after 8? 2. No. 4. Why are there so many like repeating digits? Boom. I've helped. And I will also delete an object in the start, as you should all do every so often. Preferably a collidable object. Let's see. One day. Maybe this one? No. Okay. Never mind then. Okay. I think that's it for the stream. We might do another stream at the end But otherwise, you're left to your own devices. Try to make this a good level so we can get rated. If it gets rated, guys, everyone gets 0.0005 creator points or something like that. That's totally real, confirmed by RobTop. So, no, it isn't. I'm joking, but yeah,
No, you're not.
I'm actually not. I was joking about joking. It's a double irony. That's what you can expect from this YouTube channel. This advanced level of humor. Okay, I should really